Lifty and Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. The robots are rushing towards the river. They're putting their two boats onto the water, a blue and a red one. I wonder which boat is fastest. The race is starting. Go! The boats are going so quickly. The blue robot's controlling the blue boat, and the purple robot's controlling the red one. There's a bridge ahead. Careful, robots. Oh! The robots bumped into each other. What about the boats? The blue ones stopped, and the red ones hit the riverbank. Kaboom! Robots, you aren't hurt, are you? It looks like everyone's all right. Oh, the propeller on the red boat is broken. It won't sail like this. I know. You can get a new one from Lifty's shop.
Hello, robots. What's the matter?
Somebody broke the boat.
Don't argue. We'll look for a new propeller now.
Let's look in Lifty's green box. There's nothing that looks like a propeller. That cog won't do. And we don't need a wheel.
Well, let's go to Leo's.
Leo, Scoop, and Leia are playing with the ball.
Hey-ya!
Hi, everyone!
Have you come to play?
Oh, boat races. The boat propeller's broken. Leo, can you find a new one?
I don't think I have that sort of propeller.
Huh? What can we do?
Let's put together a 3D printer. Ugh!
Yeah, we'll be able to print any kind of part you want. Even a bigger bucket for me?
Leo's brought the parts for the 3D printer. Let's start building it. The frame.
Huh?
Huh?
The build plate, which can go up and down. The rails. And the print head. The protective glass. The lid. The door. The filament spindle. The control panel. The feeder, which lets out plastic. Is it done?
Let's print something already.
The robot is turning on the printer and is looking for the right model. A cog. A dinosaur.
Here it is! Oh, it's not working.
Wait a second. It needs some more materials.
Those are spindles of different colored filaments. The filament will melt in the printer and take the shape of a propeller for the boat.
Or a bucket.
A purple propeller for a purple robot.
Let's put the spindle on the 3D printer. Off it goes. The printer's working. It's printing the propeller layer by layer. It's done. Wonderful. The friends have fixed the boat.
Let's go play by the river.
Huh? No, not yet. Let's go and print something else.
Like a toy dinosaur.
A pink one.
Leo's picked the spindle with the pink filament. We've put it on the printer. Now we're choosing the dinosaur. The print head moves right first, then left. Everyone's waiting. It worked. The dinosaur roars just like a real one. Hide! There's a terrifying purple dinosaur coming after you.